You've watched my Willow 3.0 versus Elvie video and you still don't know which pump to choose. Well, if you are new here and you've not seen my Willow 3.0 versus Elvie, make sure to watch that first. In this video, I'm going to specifically just talk about suction to help you make the decision on which pump is good for you. So stay tuned. If you're really curious about which pump to get, I think the most important thing for you is that it actually extracts your milk. If it does not extract your milk, nothing else matters. Battery life doesn't matter, the way it looks doesn't matter, the way it sounds doesn't matter, because it's just not working for you. So your primary one source for your decision should be whether or not the suction will work for you. And in this video, I want to show you the differences. The Willow Pump tends to suck in the nipple and stay in that frame. Okay, so it's gonna look like this, and it's gonna stay in that position as it extracts your milk. So that's why some women have said that it doesn't work for them. Its suctioning is a little bit unconventional. However, if it does work for you, it's probably gonna be the best pump that will extract milk for you. Now, when it comes to the Elvie pump, its suctioning is more traditional, like the Medela pump. So it's rhythmic. Just like that. So when it comes to the rhythmic suctioning, the Medela and Elvie are the same. However, suction strength is a little bit different, which I will talk about a little bit later. Now, the Spectra is also unconventional in its suctioning. The Spectra suctions like this. Yep, it's a little bit different. It's still rhythmic, but the way it sucks in the nipple is at different stages. So to help you better understand which pump will work for you, the Elvie or the Willow, the first thing you want to ask yourself, which level works for you, for example, on the Medela Advanced or on the Spectra. Now, if you are very sensitive to level 1s on both those conventional pumps, you're most likely gonna wanna go for the Elvie, because the Elvie is most possibly the gentlest baby-like suctioning that I've felt. And just remember, guys, there's a very common misconception that the stronger the suction, the better you're gonna get milk. No. That's not correct, okay? Everybody's different. Some people respond better to gentler suctions, then they actually get more milk with gentler suction. And others respond better to stronger suctions and get more milk with stronger suctions. So that's why I say use the insurance provided, complete cost provided pump first. Know where you land with suction levels. And from there, choose the pump that works for you. So if you find yourself on a level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it is on the Medela or on the Spectra, if you find yourselves on the higher levels to get your milk to actually come out, you may want to try the Willow first. But if you find yourself on the gentler suctions and you get really good feedback, really good milk from the gentler suctions like level 1s, definitely go with the Elvie. Now, I will not say that this is set in stone. I think there's definitely exceptions out there. This is only meant to help you gauge which one to maybe attempt to try first or which one to go for first if you are in between and really can't decide, and you've watched my Willow 3.0 versus Elvie video and you still can't decide. You guys are awesome, and remember to be a shark.